Minister and Cabinet, on behalf of the people of Fiji, we welcome you very warmly to our shores. So we are very well aware of the great assistance that the People's Republic of China has extended to Fiji over the years, and in particular to the security forces of Fiji. Your Excellency, your very generous gesture to our Fiji military forces in recent days is an indicative of the continuing warm and friendly relationship between your great country and Fiji. The assistance provided by the People's Republic of China to Fiji is quite extensive, ranging from social and economic assistance, infrastructure development, and of course to the security forces, and in particular to the Fiji military forces and the Fiji police force. And we are very grateful indeed, sir, for the extensive assistance provided, and we must thank the ambassador of the PRC to Fiji for the initiative to push some of the assistance that we have requested, and it's bearing fruition now. Members of our police, of our military forces have attended courses in China, as well as our police force, and right now, so we have 2 police officers from China attached to the Fiji police to train our police force, but we hope that we'll be able to take advantage of your generosity and send more of our senior military officers to China for further training. So we hope that your very short stay in Fiji, you will enjoy the break from your very hectic schedule and enjoy some of our sunshine, and I hope that you'll be able to do some fishing to and from Denarau Island.